Welcome to Rob Talks. I want to wish everyone a very happy and healthy holiday season, and I thank you for all your support this past year. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for December 27th, 2025. Now let's explore what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 0 Winal, and the 8 Kin. This long count position represents learning how to move forward within a newly opened world. The reset has already happened. Now comes calibration, strength, and confident motion forward. The 8 Kin is about balance, strength, and the harmonization of spiritual and physical action. You are no longer preparing, you are participating in the new cycle now. This day supports gaining confidence in unfamiliar territory. You may notice that what once felt uncertain now feels navigable. Trust that you don't need full visibility yet, you only need a steady rhythm and balanced action. You're being asked to take one confident step forward without overthinking, and to commit to consistency rather than perfection. This is also a time to practice balance, as in pace, rest, and intentional movement. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 5 Men. Men is represented by the eagle. It's about higher vision, long-range perception, spiritual overview, and destiny seen from above. The number 5 represents empowerment, activation, mobilization, and purposeful action. Together, 5 Men lifts your awareness upward. This is a day of seeing beyond the immediate moment. It's now time to recognize where you are headed, rather than where you've been. The eagle reminds you that perspective changes everything. From above, obstacles shrink and pathways become visible. This is a powerful day for strategic thinking, spiritual insight, and aligning your daily effort with long-term purpose. You're being asked to step back from details and view the bigger picture, and to make a decision based on where you want to be, not where you are. This is a good day to journal or visualize your next 3 to 6 months. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 3 Sotz. Sotz is represented by the bat. It's the phase of organizing, sorting, and putting systems into place. Day 3 is about early momentum, trial movement, and testing stability. Together, 3 Sotzes supports gentle organization. Nothing needs to be finalized yet, but things do need to be placed somewhere. This is about arranging energy, time, and priorities so they can function smoothly. This is a day when you are learning how to live inside the new cycle. You're being asked to organize one area of life, such as a schedule, workspace, or your priorities. This is also the time for you to create a loose structure, rather than rigid rules. Lastly, adjust what feels misaligned instead of forcing it. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all 3 calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about learning to move confidently within a freshly opened cycle. The Tzolk'in is about letting empowered vision and a higher perspective guide your next steps. And the Hob calendar is about early organization to help new momentum stabilize. Collectively, this day asks of you to see farther, move steadily, and let structure support your vision. This is a day of regaining altitude. After profound resets and transitions, the energy now supports perspective, clarity, and forward movement. Today's message is about reassessing your direction, lifting out of emotional heaviness, reorganizing priorities, and sensing a broader future again. The horizon is opening. This is the time to choose how you fly toward it. You're being asked to rise above recent uncertainty. Remember, you don't need every answer, you just need to trust in your vision. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now, here's the affirmation. I rise above uncertainty. I see clearly, move confidently, and trust my vision. Thank you all for your support.